everybody, Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and we're going to give you some more tips on how to make your trip to the city beautiful awesome. Orlando, Florida is a world-class vacation destination. It also offers many fun and engaging adventures for children on the autism spectrum. So here's an autism travel planning guide to help you. Before we do that, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you can get notified on when these awesome videos pop up. Go ahead. Do it. Okay, good, thanks. When vacationing with children with autism, it is vital to have someone with you who understands what it's like and how to best provide your kids with an ideal holiday experience. Booking with a certified autism traveling professional such as Orlando Vacation will help you plan a specially curated vacation to ensure that your little ones have the best time without compromising their health. Let us now look at some of the best autism-friendly activities you and your loved ones can enjoy in Orlando. Okay. We have Crayola Experience. Crayola Experience is a sensory-friendly indoor attraction that lets the kids explore their creativity with colors. It features 27 different activities from melting crayons to creating souvenirs to naming and wrapping your own crayon. How cool is that? During Sensory Sundays, family can enjoy curated activities for sensory needs, and it includes features like quiet rooms, dimmed lights, no music, and exclusive character experiences. If you want yourself and your kids to have a sensory-friendly movie and dining experience, head to the AMC Disney Springs 24 Dine-In. It is located in Walt Disney World and has a full dine-in service where you can order anything from the comfort of your own seat. They have partnered up with the Autism Society to screen sensory-friendly movies. Here are some of the salient features of the sensory-friendly movie programs at the AMC Disney Springs Dine-In. Have lower volume, better lighting, safe spaces children can retreat to and be themselves. Now, you might be surprised to learn that all the major theme parks in Orlando, Florida offer accommodations, special features, sensory guides, and resources to make your experience as autism-friendly as possible. These theme parks include Walt Disney World, Universal Orlando Resort, Legoland Florida, Peppa Pig Florida, and SeaWorld Orlando. For example, SeaWorld Orlando and its Aquatica water park are certified autism centers. Similarly, Walt Disney World and Universal Orlando Resort have special places and authorized staff to care for and look after people with autism. Here are some of the sensory-friendly features available at these theme parks. Ride access programs to let autism-affected people cut out queue times. Quiet spaces to be yourself and take sensory breaks. Guides to help out autism-affected people wherever needed. Apart from arranging autism-friendly vacations for you, Orlando Vacation offers excellent discounts on tickets and vacation packages for numerous vacation destinations in Orlando, Florida. It is best to get them early before they get booked during vacation season. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.